Not sure how to use your Midea AC remote? Model number RG10A. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The orange on-off button powers your Midea AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. Pressing the Eco/Gear button activates energy-saving mode. The AC reduces compressor load and fan speed to lower power consumption while maintaining comfort. It's ideal for long hours of use with minimal energy cost. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. The set button is used to confirm and save your selected settings, like mode, temperature, or timer. After adjusting a setting using the arrow keys, press Set to apply it. The OK button works like a final confirmation key. After selecting or adjusting settings, such as temperature, timer, or swing direction, press OK to execute the command. Press the clock button to set the current time or schedule your AC to turn on or off automatically. Use the arrow keys to adjust the time, then press OK to confirm. Press the fan button to adjust the fan speed. Choose from low, medium, high, or auto. It controls how fast air is circulated without changing the temperature. Want cool air in every corner? Hit the swing button. It moves the air vents up and down, spreading airflow evenly across the room for all-around comfort. This button activates the I Feel or Follow Me feature. The remote senses the temperature around it and sends that data to the AC, ensuring the unit cools or heats based on where you are, not just where the AC is installed. Press the Boost button to activate rapid cooling or heating at maximum fan speed. This feature quickly brings the room to your desired temperature in less time. Press the LED button to turn the display light on the indoor unit on or off. It's useful at night when you want to reduce brightness without affecting AC performance. Press the Clean button to activate the self-cleaning function. The AC runs a special cycle that dries out moisture and removes dust inside the unit, helping prevent mold buildup and keeping the air fresh. To lock your GRE AC remote, simply press the up and down buttons together once. This locks all remote functions. To unlock, press the same buttons together again. You'll hear a beep and the lock icon will disappear from the screen. Press and hold the temperature down arrow button and the mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your Kenwood AC remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.